You're talking to me,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
So today we're gonna do numbering system in math, right? That's what you're doing in school.
What is numbering system?
That's what we're gonna find out today.
Okay.
So numbering system. Okay. So first let me show you, and then we can start. I'll let you do some fun. Okay.
Okay.
So
So
let me first show you something about the
Okay.
numbering system. Okay.
and then I can.
So we have a numbering system in which we have 10 different types of digits. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Up to
8,
10?
9, up to 9. But we
Okay.
start from 0.
So there's still 10 numbers except the 10 except 1 to 10 it's 0 to 9.
Yes.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. So there are 10 different numbers. So it's called a decimal system. Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna remember that. Okay. If there are 10 different types of symbols, then it's called a decimal system, right? And it has some very important stuff going on, right? So for example, if I just write number here, like either 1 or 2 or 5, right? That place is called ones. Okay? Okay?
Oh, ones. Oh, okay.
Okay. We're just
Okay.
gonna call it O. Okay?
Okay. Oh,
So let's go back and
can I do something real quick?
yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna do something that I never expected, I think. Yes, decimal system.
Okay. Oh, okay. So now let's do. Now let's go and do. Okay, that's funny. Okay. So let's do something here now. We're gonna write ones, hundreds. Okay.
What is the H for?
1,000, 100.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Hundred. So ones, hundreds, thousands,
Right.
and
And
then
then
what?
we're gonna put a decimal here, and we're gonna say again. Oh, we messed up, right?
Wait, what? Why?
Because remember, there's tens.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That. Oh yeah.
So
So
there's gonna be ones, tens,
and then
hundreds,
and
thousands.
thousands.
Then we're gonna put a decimal here, and then we're gonna
Mhm.
say another T and another H here, and we're gonna figure out what is happening. Okay.
So that's either tens or thousands, and that's hundreds.
Yes.
So either
Okay.
tens or thousands.
Okay. So let me
So I guess that's really a challenge.
challenge. Oh.
Not, cause look, see, this can either be tens or thousands.
Mm-hmm.
So that is a hard to guess. But we're not guessing right now. Okay. Anyways.
So how do I move it up without changing it?
Move what up?
Do I have to go to view and then move it up?
Yes.
Then go to draw.
Or wait, or you can just look, see. Oh wait, you can't do it with the eraser, can you?
Okay. So let's talk about this, okay?
Okay.
What is happening here? So this is ones, okay? Anything that
yeah.
we put here is gonna be the number, whatever that number is. So let's say we put 2 here, that's gonna be 2, right? Then if we put 2 here,
2, that'd be 22.
that will be 20 because it's 2 tens.
20.
Right?
Yeah. And then the ones is 22.
Yeah. So and then if we put for example 2 here, that's gonna be hundreds.
So that'd be 222.
Yeah. So do you see what is happening? So from
You're-
when we go here to here, we multiply by 10, right? So these are all ones, these are all tens.
So you're multiplying like ones and tens.
Yeah, so
Together.
these are all tens, right?
Mhm.
Then when we go from here to here, we multiply by 10 again. So this is hundreds.
Mhm.
So then guess what? If we're gonna go one more here, what is gonna become after 100?
2,000.
Yeah, so it's gonna become 1,000, right?
Mhm.
Why we are multiplying by 10 every time?
Because
Because how many total digits we have? Is a decimal system. So total digits we have are 10, right?
Uh-huh.
So after 0 to 9, next when 10 comes, we go to the next digit, right? Then 100 comes, we go to the next digit. So every time we're multiplying by 10, okay? So,
Okay, so that makes sense.
but what, if we put a decimal here and go on this side, what is happening? We're gonna multiply by,
Dad, maybe, so what are you saying? So, like,
so if we go on this side, what we should be doing with 10, multiplying or divide?
mm, divide?
Yes, correct. So because see every time when we go in this direction we divide. We divide, right? So it's 1,000, we left with 100, we left by 10, we left by ones, and then we left by 1 over 10. Okay?
Which is
and,
a fraction.
yeah, and then here we 1 by 100, right? So let's think about it. Every number, let's talk about these numbers first, and then we're gonna talk about these numbers a little bit later, okay? So we're gonna talk about decimals a little bit later. So just give me a number.
Any number
Yeah.
from what number to what number?
From 0 to 9.
Okay. I pick 8.
8.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so 8. So now let's add 5 in it. 5. Let's add 5.
Oh, that'd be 13.
Right? So we have 8 and then we have 5, right? So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have, let's say 5. Go add 5 all the way down.
Wait, with circles? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So with this?
Yeah.
Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. So now let's see what is happening here, okay? So this is 1, 2,
3.
3, 4, 5. So there's 0 before, okay? There's nothing before. And then 6, 7, 8,
and then
9. Okay, so what is gonna happen? So we ran out of all the symbols, right? We have 0 to 9 symbols, right? For number 10, we don't have any symbol.
No.
So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna reset.
Yeah, we're gonna reset and we're gonna use these first two symbols here. So we're gonna put 0 here
0.
and then put 1 here. But this 1 is now on tens place. So this 1 means that we have 1 tens and 0 ones, right?
Yeah.
So it's total 10. So that means that we have 10 and this is ones. Basically we have no ones and we have 1 tens, right? So this is just 10, right? But with the symbol that we are using are the same symbol from 0 to 9, right? There's no additional symbol here, okay? So let's go now, keep on going here and say 11, 12, and 13, right? So this is 13. So now we have 3 ones and 1 tens, right? So always think like this is tens, right? Right? So let's go back. We have 1 tens and we have 1, 2, 3 ones, right? So this is 10, right? Let's say it's 10.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So this is 13, right? Because it had 8. Okay. It had 8. This was 8. And these
Yeah.
were 2.
Two.
And this was 3, right? So
Yeah.
these were 5. 2
Yeah.
and 3, 5. And 8, it made 13, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's how we did. So now let's go back to something interesting. Let's say we have 22.12. Okay, that's interesting, right? What is happening here? So this is ones, we know that. These are 10 times more. Everything here is 10 times more. So we say tens. So we have 2 tens and 2 ones. So we have 22, right? Now let's go back to here and see what is happening here. This buddy is 1/10. So basically we have 2 dimes here, 1 dime here, right? So this
One
is a
dime?
dime,
Oh, yeah,
right?
1 dime.
This is 1/10 of a dollar, right? Right? So this is 10 cents. So we have 1/10 cents, right? And then this is 1/100th or a cent, right? Right?
Mm-hmm.
So we have 2 cents. So we have basically 12 cents here, right? So one of the interesting thing we can remember here is that whenever we are using cents, a 1/100, we need 2 digits. Okay? Whenever we're needing 1/100 or 1/100th, right? If we divide a dollar into 100 things, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's a cent, right? So when we're talking about cents, how many digits we need to use after decimal? 2, right? This is dimes and this is cents.
Yep.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So let's say if I have 22 plus 1, how many cents do I have?
22 plus 1?
0.1.
You
I have $22 and how many cents do I have?
1.
1? Why?
Wait.
What was
22.
this? What was this position? This position was a dime, right?
Yeah.
So how many cents do I have?
So that'd be 10 cents.
Exactly. So 22.1 is actually 10 cents. $20.10, right? That's why we normally would just put another digit here.
Okay.
So normally what we will do is we'll put always 2 digits so we don't get confused. So whenever we're talking about cents, we are always using 2 digits. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Then we don't confuse it, right? Because these are cents and these are ones, right? So this gives us the total number of, this is dimes and this is cents. This gives us the total number of cents, right? So always when you say 22.5, how many cents do we have? $22 and 0.5 is how many cents?
5. No. Half a cent?
Half a dollar.
Half a dollar is 50 cents.
Right. So what we're gonna do is we're always gonna use 2 digits. And that's how we're gonna say it's 50 cents, right?
Yeah.
If we have 512, how many cents do we have?
It feels like I have 512 cents.
Yeah, but this is dimes, so we have only 5 dimes.
So dimes. Wait. So tell me. So tell me what are these? So this is dimes.
Yeah.
So wait. So.
Yeah.
Dimes.
Yeah.
And then what is this?
This is cents.
Okay. Cents. And
Okay.
then what is this?
This is 1/10 of a cent.
1/10 of a cent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So how many cents do we have?
So we have 5 dimes,
Yeah.
which is 50 cents.
Yeah.
50 cents. We have 51 cents,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then 51 cents, and then
Yeah. 2 1/10 of cents. So let's not worry about it. So all I wanted to tell you is that even if you see 3 digits, even if you see 0.5, or even if you see 0.512, always remember that you're gonna take only 2 digits for cents. So you put a 0 here, 50 cents.
So only you have to
This-
worry about only 2 digits?
Always.
Only?
Okay? When you're talking about cents, because cents is 100th. Which position is 100th? Second position, right? So that's why we only talk about 2 digits when we talk about cents. Okay?
Okay.
So how many digits you're gonna talk about when we talk about cents?
What?
How many digits we're gonna talk about when we talk about cents? How many digits after the decimal?
There can be 2 or 3.
But we can only talk about 2 digits after decimal when we talk about cents.
Yeah, so you only have to worry about 2.
Okay, so we're gonna talk a little bit more about it.
Wait,
So this is the system. I wanted to show you one more thing, okay? And we're not gonna do too much about it, okay? Well, let's say if you have a system which has only 2 symbols, 0 and 1.
Oh.
You don't have 2, 3, 4 or anything. You have only 0 and 1, 2 symbols.
Okay.
How many symbols do we have now?
What?
2, right?
Bruh.
We don't have 10. We have only 2, right?
Only 2.
We can't use 3 or 4 or anything, right?
Yeah.
What system is it?
Number system.
It is a number system, but that system is called a binary system.
Oh, okay.
It's not a decimal. Decimals means 10, deca, 10. Binary means binary, 2, right? So it's a 2 system. So there are no 10. Remember we had 10 symbols before?
10?
Do you remember?
Oh, yeah.
Now we have only 2 symbols,
Which is a buoyancy?
which is binary. Okay?
Yeah. Okay, binary.
So remember before we had to go from 0 to 9 and then we used 1 and 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because we had 2, 3, 4, 5, all of them. Now we don't have 2, we have only 0 and 1. So what is going to happen okay, so I'm going to show you something funny, okay? It's funny, okay? Stay with me. So before we had 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yeah.
8, 9, right?
Yeah.
And 10, right? So after 9, we ran out of symbols, and that's why we wrote 10, right? But now we're gonna run out of symbols pretty quickly, because after 0 and 1 we ran out of symbols. So what we're gonna write here after 1? We don't have 2. When we ran out of symbols after 9, what did we write?
10.
So what we're gonna write here? Now we ran out of symbols in binary.
We're gonna write 2. No.
We don't have 2. So what we write?
0.
10. We write 10 here. Because we don't have any symbol, right? Remember, when we run out of symbols, we go to the next digit, right? So that is a funny, right? That is so funny.
No, they're not funny.
So this is a binary and this is decimal.
Oh.
Okay? In decimal, when we ran out of symbols, after 9 we went to 10. In binary, after we ran out of symbols, after 1, we are going to write 10. Right? That's how we write binary. And then we go to 11, right? In binary, remember in decimal, this was ones, right? And this was what? Tens, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because we had how many symbols? 10. In binary, how many symbols we have? 2. So this is ones. What is this?
Tens.
Is tens or twos? This is a binary system.
2s.
Twos, right? So when we write tens, basically we have 1 2s and 0 1s. So basically it's 2 because we have 1 2s. So this is 2s. So if we have 1 1, that means 3. If we have 1 0 0, this is 4s. This is 2s.
Yeah, 1s, and then the.
So we are multiplying by 2s every time. Here we multiply by tens. Remember this was hundreds, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we were multiplying 10 every time. Here we are multiplying 2 every time, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's why there are 10 type of people in the world, the one who know binary and the ones who don't know binary, right? Because 10 means 2, right? So there are two type of people. Only in binary 2 is 10, but only people who know binary can understand that 10 means 2. Ready? Okay, that's it. Have fun.
Hey, I want to do something real quick.
Okay. Do it.
I want to like go up. I want to do something. So, can I
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Don't worry about this.
Okay. Yes, exactly. Only worry about the 2 digits. Absolutely. That is correct. Okay. See you. Bye.